Hello, hello. All right, let's see if this is working. This is the sound check for the mvyradio porch concert that is happening on Tuesday, July 13th at 6 p.m. Just doing a little sound check to make sure that everything is good. My name's Caroline Sky, for anybody tuning in. I'll be playing the mvyradio porch concert on Tuesday at 6 p.m. And I'm super excited. So I'm just going to play a little verse of a song and see how the audio levels are working. When the stars grow cold and shadows fade, a stranger walks along the paved road, wondering how the city got so old. And then he walks away from her, from silent, stormy, scary words. He's locked in dead. He knows that she is old. He hasn't let a whisper out. In his mind it's all too loud to say. Leave my love on the bedside table while you sleep. Leave my love in picture frames and empty sheets. Leave my love, it ain't worth a penny once I leave. So leave my love. Leave my love. No, leave my love. Wasn't yours to keep. Anyway, thanks for everyone who's tuning in for this sound check. My name is Caroline Sky, and I'm going to be playing the mvyradio Porch Concert Series live stream on Tuesday, July 13th at 6 p.m. I hope to see all of you there. I really appreciate everybody tuning in for this little sound check. Yeah, I'm really excited to play. This is going to be one of my first shows post-lockdown. I'm going to be having some people out on my porch and live streaming on the mvyradio Facebook page and on mvyradio.com. So, yeah, hope to see you all there, and thanks so much for tuning in for the sound check.